Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. This is Dow Jones hourly chart. Currently Dow Jones is trading 31,520. It made low of 31,476 and the high 31,694. Currently it is trading 515. Today we will have US unemployment claims, which will be very crucial. I will be updating the data and its impact on my Telegram channel and Twitter. You can follow me on Twitter and Telegram, links are in description. Currently Dow Jones is trading 31,515. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend. Current Dow Jones support stands at 31,450. Dow Jones resistance stands at 31,690. Currently Dow Jones is trading in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. But if Dow Jones break 450 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect Dow Jones to test around 31,300 and 31,100. Now let's move on to Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq chart, also known as US Tech 100 Index. Currently it is trading 13,607. It made high of 13,728 today. Currently trading 600. Let's quickly have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend. Nasdaq resistance stands at 13,730. Nasdaq support stands at 13,490. Currently Nasdaq is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy, but if Nasdaq breaks 730 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect Nasdaq to test around 13,900 and even 14,000. Now let's move on to S&P 500. This is S&P 500 chart. Currently it is trading 39.18. It made low of 3909.80 and high of 3940 today. Let's quickly have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend. Resistance stands at 3942. Support stands at 3891. Currently S&P is also in weak zone, so avoid going for buy, but if S&P break 3942 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect S&P to test around 3962 and 3990. Now let's move on to commodities. First we will see gold prices. This is gold chart. Currently it is trading 1785 almost. It made low of 1777 today and currently fixed at 1785. Today US unemployment claims may influence the gold prices. If higher than expected claims came, then we may see a fire in gold. If lower unemployment numbers are released by US, then we may see a slight downtrend in gold prices. Let's have a look at resistance and support. Gold support stands at $1776. Gold resistance stands at $1792. Currently gold is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell, but major buying will come once gold breaks 1792. So if you are looking to buy, then you should wait for unemployment claims and market to break 1792. Once gold breaks 1792 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect gold to test around 1800 and 1820. Now let's move on to crude oil. This is crude oil chart. Currently it is trading 61.50. It made high of 62.20 today and low 60.97. Currently it is fixed at 61.50. Let's have a look at resistance and support. After that we will see Euro and Bitcoin. Crude oil support stands at 60.50. Crude oil resistance stands at 62.20. Currently crude oil is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell, but if crude oil breaks 60.50 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect crude oil to test around $59 and even $58. Now let's move on to Euro. After that we will see Bitcoin. This is Euro chart. Currently it is trading 2077. It made high of 2084 and low 2035. Dollar index is getting weaker and it is getting stronger. Euro is directly connected to dollar index. The weaker dollar index is, stronger the euro is. Currently it is trading 2075. Let's have a look at resistance and support. Euro support stands at 2030. Euro resistance stands at 2100. Currently euro have entered in positive zone, so I will recommend you to avoid going for sell. If euro break 2030 and manage to sustain below that level, then yes, euro may enter in weak zone once again. After that it can test around 2000 and 1950. Now let's move on to Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin, new market favorite. Currently it is trading 51,350. It made a new lifetime high of 52,530. Let's have a look at resistance and support. This is the new market favorite. Bitcoin support stands at $50,500. Bitcoin resistance at $52,500. Currently Bitcoin is trading in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. But if Bitcoin breaks 50,500 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect Bitcoin to test around 49,000 and 47,000. If you have enjoyed this video and if you find this video useful, do not forget to press the like button. If you want to avail my buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my number in description. If you have any feedback or comment, you can share with me in comment section. I will see you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye.